Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to do a mango dragon fruit drink from Starbucks. We're going to use bite-sized cubes of dragon fruit, and I bought this one at Publix in the frozen aisle where the frozen fruits are at. Then dragon fruit mango juice, you can buy this anywhere. Some coconut milk, and of course your reusable cup. Let's start with the frozen dragon fruit and a cup, and put some cubes in the mug or cup, whatever you're going to use. Add a little bit of the dragon fruit juice and start smushing them. Gonna get your reusable cup, take the lid off, add some juice all the way to the second line. Drop in your dragon fruit, add the coconut milk all the way to the third line, or maybe a little bit more. Drop in your ice, lid back on, and shake it up. And there you go. Your mango dragon fruit tastes amazing. Please try it out and let me know in the comments below how y'all liked it.